That is just too much wheel. That's a lot of tire, but there's still just too much gap. How big is that tire? 315, 70, 17? There's 17s? Those are some rubber bands. Holy cow. Bands will make her dance, man. Trail built. There's nothing trail built when you got tires that don't even see gravel. What are those, rubber bands? It's a really cool truck, but it looks like it's completely stock under the hood. It's still quiet. There's a lot of black on this vehicle. It'd be a lot better if you put something like chrome XDs on there or a couple of the other cool finishes they come in. Wonder why this guy's got his hood popped. Is it supercharged? Nope. These are really cool wheels. The suspension looks good too. Is that an axle dump on a gasser?
It's supercharged, bro.
Fuel tires. They look a lot better with fuel wheels too. 14 wides, 14 wides. Does none of you have 16 wides on your trucks? 14 wides are so 2018. Dude, nice shirt, bro. What the is going on here? One hand, 2+. What does he got going on here?
Hey man, what do you think about this thing?
Isn't this supposed to be an off-road vehicle?
No, it's a show truck.
Yeah, but Broncos are off-road vehicles.
No, this one's a show truck.
This is not a show truck.
It is. You wanna know the best part about it?
What's that?
The Superlift kit on it's available at customoffsets.com.
Does anyone build a quality vehicle around here anymore? These are all just basic. Well, gotta find drive.